Hi everybody, this is G Lynn from the Find the Money, Say the Money video blog. As you know, I'm always going to share information as I find it. There's another site out here that's similar to TikTok called WeAre8. And I know people thought you could make money off of it by watching videos. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm not going to even discuss that because I don't feel that that's valid. But what is valid is this site has some of the same options as TikTok. And the great thing about it is I'm going to go over here to upload. And I did it on my phone, and I found out I could do it on my computer. Now, the great thing about this is once you upload a post, they allow you to put external links in your post. You can put external links in your post, which is very important when you're trying to sell products. Or if you're trying to send people to your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, you could put the link in here. So you upload the information that you want to, upload the video that you want to use, and then just place the link right here, and it will let you post it so that people on their site will see it. So I call this like an arbitrage. So you can go to WeAre8, post your TikTok information, get them over on TikTok. Post your Facebook information, get them to your Facebook page. Post your Instagram information, your Pinterest, your link, whatever information you can post in that external link. And when you're supposed to in that external link, it's going to drive traffic to your other social media sites. And also you can drive traffic to your product. So again, let me show it to you. Like I said, it's similar to TikTok, same kind of stuff, same kind of content. And
5-ingredient budget.
fun, just like TikTok is fun. See? So again, this is another great site. You can join it on your phone, and you can also join on your computer. I hope I helped you find your money. Let me lower the volume on here because it's interfering with my voice, and I don't like when things interfere with my voice, okay? But I hope I helped you find a way to make some extra money and to get some extra eyes on your product.